Good morning. That was not as easy as I expected, but still it has probably been together since the bike was new, so it was totally okay, and actually the bearings looks good, so some new grease and everything when it's time for that. It's almost chopping time. What I did is that I measured and made some markings, but now I'm going to grind off all the colors, all the paint and everything, so the markings will of course disappear. So what I also did was that I did the measurements, put them on a piece of paper, wrote it down with a small sketch of how it looks and where, so when it's all ready for welding I can make the new measurements or put the measurements on where to weld, sort of. So that's where we at today, and I'm going to chop the fender. I'm going to get help with the welding part. Connie is doing it for me, and it's a new mount here for the shocks. I'm going to use the old mounts for the push bar or the mini CC or whatever, and there are going to be some shopping here, and he's going to weld. We're going to drill a hole in the frame and then put a bushing sort of to be able to fit a bolt enough for the upper mount of the shocks. Yes, that's where we're at now. But I'm also in that process of trying to finish in my head how it's going to be painted and so on, and that's kind of a part I love very much. So that's a fun piece. I'll show you later on. While I'm doing this, I like to take a moment and talk a little bit about our magazine. For the ones who hasn't seen them, these are the magazine I've been doing for the past 5 years or so. It's called the Evil Monkey magazine. It was kind of a dream project for me. I've been working with magazines for my whole life, and we sold some local newspapers, and I got the possibility to make this magazine. But I did start at the worst time, only a couple of months before the COVID shutdown happened, and all the possibilities to meet people went up in the air in a minute. So we had a really rough start, and magazines obviously is not the future, so that's why we also decided to make this YouTube channel also. But these babies are my babies. I really like them. We put lots of effort in pictures and good stories, and also trying to make them feeling really good. So we put lots of money into the paper and the printing and everything, and we still have a bunch in stock, and we really love to find new readers for them. We don't want to waste them to paper recycling or something. So if you're interested, we have a good pricing on the full collection. 15 mags was what we were able to print before we ran out of money, and they are timeless in that way that there are no news. It's just good stories, blast from the past, vintage bikes, shoppers, some cars, not many. Yeah, lots of inspiration, good quality magazine. So jump over to our website, theevilmonkey.se, and you find them in the shop, in the web shop, in the store. Yeah, that's it. They are good. Buy them. So that's it. So now I'm going to start the grinding job. Yes. Yeah, this is ready for welding now, I think. I'm also going to show you weld like this, a small ear here to attach the rear fender. So I need to get rid of the paint there as well. But I think that's it for today, so don't forget, subscribe, like and comment. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.